So this is everything that came with it. We've got the AUX cable here, we got the rear view camera, the radio itself, and some other connections. We're gonna see which one works best and install it. So to install this bracket, it's super easy. You just make sure it's facing this way, put it in and just go up, and it is locked and it's not going anywhere now. When you first plug it in, it turns on to this. So we're just gonna go ahead and peel this off. It's a nice display. Go with English and you're at this page. Say I want to do CarPlay. Yep, and let's connect that. So connecting the CarPlay was super easy. You just click on it and you're already in there. I can change wherever I want to go. It's very quick to go like to the camera, go back here, AirPlay, CarPlay. Then if I want to change my screen, just do that. Different apps, go back to my main one and straight to the maps. Everything works pretty well. If I want to change my location, I can do that. And if I want to see more details about my trip, I can do that.